Is your espresso coming out way too short or overflowing the cup? Shots cutting off early or running forever? This issue is usually caused by grind size, tamping pressure, or custom shot settings. Let's dial in your volume and fix those inconsistent pours. Step 1. Start with the grind size and tamp. A grind that's too fine or tamped too hard can restrict flow, leading to short or stalled shots. A grind that's too coarse or loose can flood your shot. Use a medium espresso grind and apply firm but even tamp pressure. Step 2. Clean your portafilter and basket. Leftover oils and coffee residue can affect pressure and volume. Rinse both parts after each use and deep clean weekly for best results. Step 3. Run a water-only shot test. Brew a shot without any grounds to test water flow. If the water still flows inconsistently, the issue might be with internal blockages, not the coffee. Step 4. Reprogram the shot volume if it was changed. Hold the brew button to enter programming mode. Let go when the espresso reaches your ideal volume. This sets the new standard. If you or someone else stopped a shot early, the machine may now default to that smaller size. Step 5. Reset to default volumes if needed. Unplug the machine for 60 seconds to clear custom shot sizes. This restores the factory default timing for both single and double shots. Still having volume issues? It could be a deeper issue with water pressure or the pump. Support and the full owner's manual are linked in the description below if you need help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.